Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of mathematics. And next question of exercise 7.2. Question number 3. Let y equal cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x and x belongs to 1 by 2 1 interval. Okay, find the value of dy by dx. Let y is equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. Putting x is equal to cos theta implies theta is equal to cos inverse x. Okay, implies y is equal to cos inverse over 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, because 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to cos 3 theta. Formula of cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, implies y is equal to cos inverse over cos 3 theta, because cos inverse over cos theta is equal to theta. Okay, apply the formula cos inverse over cos 3 theta is equal to 3 theta, implies y is equal to 3 theta and theta is equal to cos inverse x. Putting the value of theta implies y is equal to 3 cos inverse x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get derivative of y dy by dx is equal to 3 constant into dy dx over cos inverse x, implies dy by dx is equal to 3 into dy dx of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon 1 minus x square of root. Okay, that is the answer. Question number first complete. Next question. Question number 4. Let y is equal to sec inverse of 1 upon 2x square minus 1. Okay, find the value of dy by dx. Putting x is equal to cos theta implies theta is equal to cos inverse x. Okay, implies y is equal to cos inverse 1 upon x is equal to cos theta, it means 2 cos square theta minus 1. because cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, formula of cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Apply the formula of cos 2 theta. Y is equal to sec inverse 1 upon cos 2 theta implies y is equal to sec inverse 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. It means 1 upon cos 2 theta is equal to sec 2 theta. Okay, implies y is equal to, apply the formula of sec inverse over sec theta is equal to theta. It means theta equal to 2 theta, y is equal to 2 theta, implies y is equal to 2 into theta is equal to cos inverse x. Okay, differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get derivative of y is equal to dy by dx is equal to 2 constant into dy dx over cos inverse x, implies dy by dx is equal to 2 upon minus root 1 minus x square. Okay, that is the answer. Next question. Question number 5th. Sin inverse, let y is equal to sin inverse 1 plus x square upon 1 minus x square plus cos inverse 1 plus x square upon 1 minus x square. Okay, find the value of dy by dx. Apply the formula equals sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. According to question, sin inverse 1 plus x square upon 1 minus x square and 1 plus x square 1 minus x square same, and x same. It means x is equal to, where x is equal to 1 plus x square by 1 minus x square. It means sin inverse 1 plus x square by 1 minus x square plus cos inverse 1 plus x square per 1 minus x square is equal to pi by 2 according to formula. Okay, implies y is equal to pi by 2. Differentiating with respect to x, we get derivative of y is equal to dy by dx is equal to dy by dx over pi by 2. Pi by 2 constant number, it means derivative of constant number is equal to 0 and dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, next question, question number 6. let y is equal to tan inverse a plus x upon 1 minus ax. Okay, find the value of dy upon a dx. Putting x is equal to tan theta and a is equal to tan alpha implies theta is equal to tan inverse x and alpha is equal to tan inverse. Okay, implies y is equal to tan inverse a is equal to tan alpha plus x is equal to tan theta upon 1 minus a tan alpha x tan theta. Okay, apply the formula tan a plus b because tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. Okay, a is equal to tan a tan alpha, tan b tan theta, tan alpha tan a, tan b tan theta. It means a is equal to alpha and b is equal to theta. Okay, y is equal to tan inverse over tan a plus b, tan alpha plus theta, tan alpha plus theta. Okay, because tan inverse over tan theta is equal to theta is equal to alpha plus theta. Tan inverse over tan theta is equal to theta implies y is equal to alpha plus theta. Putting the value of alpha and theta implies y is equal to alpha is equal to tan inverse a plus theta is equal to tan inverse x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get implies derivative of y is equal to dy by dx is equal to dy dx over tan inverse a plus dy dx over tan inverse x implies dy by dx is equal to dy dx over tan inverse a constant number. It means derivative of constant number is equal to 0 plus dy dx of tan inverse x. It means 1 upon 1 plus x square implies dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, next question part b. Let y is equal to tan inverse 2 power of x plus 1 upon 1 minus 4 to power x. Okay, is equal to tan inverse 2 power of x plus 1. It means 2 power of x into 2 power of 1 by 1 minus 4 to power x. It means 2 power of x power of 2. Because 4 power of x is equal to 4 2 power of 2 power of x is equal to 2 power of 2 power of x. It means power multiply. It means 2 power of x power of 2. Okay. Power of x is equal to 2 power of x and power of 2. Putting 2 power of x is equal to tan theta and theta is equal to tan inverse 2 power of x is equal to y equal to tan inverse 2 power of x is equal to tan theta. It means 2 tan theta upon 1 minus 2 power of x is equal to tan theta. It means tan square theta. Okay. Formula of tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Okay. Y is equal to tan inverse tan 2 theta implies tan inverse or tan theta is equal to theta. It means y is equal to 2 theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse 2 power of x implies y is equal to 2 into tan inverse 2 power of x. Differentiating with respect to x, with respect to x, we get derivative of y is equal to dy upon dx is equal to 2 constant 2 into dy dx over tan inverse 2 power of x implies dy by dx is equal to 2 into derivative of first tan inverse x and derivative of second 2 power of x. It means tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square 2 power of x of whole square. Okay. Into derivative of 2 power of x is equal to 2x into log 2. Okay. dy by dx over a की power x is equal to a की power x into log e base a. Derivative of first tan inverse x 1 upon 1 plus x square into 2 power of x. Derivative of 2 power of x is equal to 2 power of x into log 2 implies dy by dx is equal to 2 power of 1 2 power of x is equal to 2 power of x plus 1 by 2 power x power 2 2 power x power 2. It means 4 power of x into log 2. That is the answer. Okay. We will discuss in the next video. Thank you so much.